As we move into a world that's more and more affected by climate change, our urban built environments need to be rethought. Just by changing materials, thinking about planting regimes, the Beresfield town centre has really improved this particular neighbourhood.
When we renewed Beresfield Local Centre, the existing roadway was narrowed to create a new public space in the heart of town. In its original form, there was lots of black asphalt, which got really hot and uncomfortable in summer. And we wanted to transform it into a comfortable, usable space. We realised the upgrade presented a great opportunity to measure both before and after temperatures and ways to investigate and reduce heat. We collaborated with the University of Newcastle School of Architecture and Built Environment to measure both before and after temperatures. Then we were successful in being awarded $65,000 in increasing resilience to climate change grant funding from the New South Wales Government in association with Local Government New South Wales. With this, we were able to build on the existing collaboration to explore design ideas, undertake additional heat monitoring, and then report back on the findings.
In some instances, we've seen an 8 to 10 degree temperature lowering, which is a really important change. So women and children and elderly people would be less impacted.
We worked with the community through a placemaking process to come up with the ideas to activate this space. Our elder community members favoured the instant shade of a shelter. So we installed a cooling shelter designed by the university and also planted trees, which will provide increased shade as it grows. The greenery and light-coloured materials in the garden keep the space cool, and the paint we used in the mural helps reflect the heat.
If you look around the site, you'll see a rain garden. By having a permeable surface, the water is held a bit longer. It also cleanses the water before it goes back in the system.
The mural illustrates how street water cleaned by these rain gardens flows into the neighbouring wetland to keep them healthy. And the frog helping the ducks show how acts of kindness build community spirit.
So this was a hugely community-based project. For the students, it really was important to them to be involved in such a thing because it gave them connection. Students got the opportunity to work with other students that they may normally not work with, but then also work with the larger community to build something together. And I think there's something really lovely in that.
There used to be a bit of black asphalt around, there was disorganised parking. Since the upgrade, we're seeing more people visit small business, which is what we want. Coming into Beresfield now, it looks beautiful.
I say it's a meeting place for friends. I mean, if somebody want to meet a friend in Beresfield, where would he meet him? Here. This place is a must.
By following a collaborative placemaking process, we have built relationships with the community, the university and local government New South Wales. This shows us which materials reduce urban heat island effect, and we will apply this learning to other public domain upgrades right across the city.